Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. Look what I got. I got another mystery box from the Holiday Haul box, and this is the Halloween one. So if you are not familiar with these boxes, go back and look at my prior videos. I have, I think, 3 other videos, maybe 2 videos. 3? I can't remember. This is my 6th mystery box from them because they're awesome. So I bought all of the holidays they had available for $35 and then $10 in shipping. The boxes have exceeded their value. Now, not all of them have been amazing. 2 have been okay. The others have been amazing. But regardless, you're getting your value here. And everybody loves a good mystery box, right? So if you're liking what you're seeing in here, they do offer a quarterly subscription. I was going to sign up for it, but then I decided not to. For me, opening these as mystery it's what's fun, which I guess they're kind of always mystery, right? But also I'm getting a deal, so that makes it even, more fun. So here we go. Now, I had already opened it, and then I realized I wasn't filming. So I have, this is as far as I got, so I don't know what's in it. So here we go. All right, the first item I have not already received. We have got a kitchen towel. Nice, love that. And it is, let's see here. It's 100% cotton. So there we go, good start. Next, I think it's a bit, I'm thinking what I'm seeing. I think I've got everything that's in this box. And that's okay because I knew that there was a chance. I don't think I got this though, but I knew there would be a chance that this would possibly happen. But look how cute he is. Okay. And then we got a bigger one. So they're bats. That one I'm going to have to fluff a little. This I definitely have gotten, but you can use 2. All right, so they're the chains, chain link. And then this is creepy cloth. So it is like, I guess you could say maybe like a fishnet. So you can pull it across and lay it out. So again, I already have this one, but you can always use more than one. Okay. Oh my goodness, I think almost yeah, I've got this too. So this is Boo, super cute though. Now this right here, I don't think I have. So I don't think I got the towel, and I'm pretty sure I didn't get this either in that box. So it says Halloween, love that. See what I mean by you're getting your value in these mystery boxes? Let me put this up here. There we go. And then this last item I have as well. And it is, let me see, show you. It is the 31 October. So Halloween. So, hold on a second. I don't think I have that. I have this, I have these, I've got the chain in this, but I think this is, I didn't get. This I didn't get, and this I'm pretty sure I did not get. So, yeah. All in all, value 100% here. I don't think you can say it's not. I mean, it's 100% here. Now me with already having some of these items, again, like I said, that's the risk you take when you get a mystery box. The creepy, You can always use more, like I said. So the only item that I'm like is the boo, but that's okay. So all in all, I'm happy. So go check out their website. It is the Holiday Haul Box. I just bought these. I want to say maybe it was over the weekend. Like their shipping is super fast. Like they get these out like I think they got them out that day or the next day. So go check out their website, see if they have any mystery boxes left. They didn't have all 6, but I want to say maybe they had like 4 that were still left. At that point in time, it was, I think, like the July 4th. This one, gosh, I can't remember, you guys, but go check it out. If they still have them, snatch you one. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching me, as always, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.